She's adding color to my mix, you see?
We got tequila! Tequila! It was supposed to go straight up and then I'd catch it and be like, we got tequila! And orange juice, okay? This is the frozen tequila sunrise or something like that, okay? I don't know. The tequila just wet me and everything changed, okay? I was having such a great day. Okay. We can put this in the freezer, harden this bad boy up. I kind of feel naked with you guys looking at my freezer, okay? Dude, these look like glass. Look at that, look at that. Look at that orange juice, homeboy. Okay, guys, so we grab our blender. Now I can get my ice cubes. Ah! Beautiful. Okay, guys, so we have our ice cubes in our blender, and now we grab our tequila. We're using apple or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, there's a lot of thickness in there, right? How do you get rid of thickness? Okay, you could go on a diet, or you could hit it with more tequila. Which one you prefer? Exactly. Okay. So remember, guys, I can't just pour this in because this is a slushy tequila sunrise, okay? So I need to get some sunrise in this bottom. So I got a grenadine in there, right? I don't want to use too much. But now what's gonna happen is when I bring in this goodness, that thing's gonna move, it's gonna splash. I don't mind it splashing around, right? Because what it does now is she's adding color to my mix, you see? So now we hit it with a little straw. Guys, but you know what else will be good on this? A nice little cherry, okay? Now watch this. We'll leave a little red patch around it where it goes. But that adds a little color. That's the cherry juice kind of seeping out. You see what I'm saying? Guys, one more thing I forgot. You need a little orange slice, you see? So I come in, the right thickness. I use the word thickness a lot. Yo, is that too big? What do you think? A whole ring? Looks good? Okay. Okay, Stefan's saying it looks good. We'll see. Y'all don't like the way it looks? Blame him. Everything matters in this one, guys. Okay, so bang, look at that. Look at that bad boy. And there you have it, the slushy tequila sunrise. So guys, we're talking about celebrity tequilas, right? So mine come in. What is it gonna be, Scott? I ain't sure, you know? Some days I wake up, it's a vodka. Some days I wake up, it's a gin. Some days I wake up, it's coconut rum. Some days it's a wine, okay? Some days it's a jungle juice. I don't know. Just sit tight, it's coming soon. And it will be, most likely, blue. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy and buy my booze, okay? I ain't trying to get rich, I'm just trying to feed the poor.